Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. I love the media personalities na mamahuli masampulan tsaka yung mga showbiz personalities. I love to see you guys being caught. And you're gonna be my topic here sa aking programa, mga putok sa buhong pendeho kayo. Kilala pa naman kayo. Nagsusulat ang iba sa inyo, nagmumukha ninyong papangit na nakikita sa TV and then all of a sudden you're users. Bakit? Alam ko ho yan eh. Bakit quiet ang PDEA rito? Maglabas na nga kayo ng listahan ng mga media people using drugs and into drugs. Using drugs and into drugs. I'm not saying distribution of drugs. Because when you're trying to use drugs sa media, yung mga showbiz personalities, I bet you know who the suppliers are. Kilala niyo kung sino mga putok sa buhong pendehong yan. Naturalmente, itatago niyo saan kayo kukuha ng source niyo. Mga hinayupak na putok sa buho kayo. Nagagalit ako? Hindi! Nagsasabi lang ako. Totoo naman yan eh. Tanong mo pa yan sa mga Drug Enforcement Agency. Tanong niyo yan sa Philippine National Police, mga drugs unit nila. Tanong niyo sa NBI yan. They're just quiet. They're silent. You know what? They seem to be, parang maingat sila. Ako ho kasi, come on, no holds bar, uncut, uncensored. You'll find more. Kung nasampulan na ho yung sinasabi, yung this jockey dyan na babae. What's her name? In the Philippine Star? She looks pretty. But you know what? What's the problem here? You'll find more. You see more people. Meron mga nasa showbiz, meron mga nagsusulat dyan, meron iba sa TV dyan. Sus Mariosep, she's a DJ. Once upon a time, I was a DJ. Karen Bordador. Sus Ginoo. And you know what? I bet you, this is not the only one. There's more. I'm sure kahit nasa sinasabi ho natin sa news media, sa mga dyaryo na yan, sa mga sinasabi natin, mga DJs na yan, personalities, showbiz, you have a lot of users. I'm not saying pushers. You have a lot of users, and they know kung saan ang gagaling yung mga droga. You guys listening to me? PDEA, Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency. I know you have your own list. You guys listening to me? Philippine National Police Drug Units. You have your own list. Unless otherwise may mga intramurals kayo na yung mga dating pinalitan ninyo, tinago na. Or, you might be withholding them. You better watch out.